Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create a web security configuration class in Spring Boot application. So let's get started. As you can see, a configs package. So inside this, let me create a new Java class with the name web security configuration. On the top of this class, let me add here the annotation that we have at the rate configuration to mark this class as a Spring configuration class. Second annotation I'm going to add here, enable web security. Third annotation I'm going to add here, enable method security. Last one I'm going to add here, at the rate required ARGS constructor. Now inside this class, let me inject here JWT authentication filter and the user service. So it will be a private final JWT authentication filter. Second, we have private final user service. After that, let me add here a bean for security filter chain. Let me import the bean, security filter chain, and the HTTP security. Actually, this is a core configuration method for security. Inside this, I'm going to disable CSRF protection. Let me import abstract HTTP configurer. After disabling CSRF, I'm going to allow unauthenticated access to this path that we have /API/auth/static, that for login and register. After that, we have to secure this path that we have /API/user/static, that is only accessed by user role. Let me import this enum. All the other endpoints require authentication. After that, we have to disable HTTP sessions. Each request must include a valid JWT, that we have the stateless behavior. After that, I'm going to set here custom authentication provider, that is the JWT authentication filter before Spring username password authentication filter. Let me import this. With this, let me import stateless. After the custom authentication provider, we have to finalize the security configuration. After the security filter chain bean, I'm going to create a bean for authentication provider. So as you can see, a bean for authentication provider. Let me import this. After that, let me import this. With this, I'm going to create a bean for password encoder. So as you can see, a bean for password encoder. Let me import password encoder and the bcrypt password encoder. The last bean, let me add here for authentication manager. So as you can see, a bean for authentication manager. Let me import the authentication manager. After that, let me import here authentication configuration. Now you can take a look of a web security configuration class. After the web security configuration, let me open here a user model. Now inside this class, I'm going to create a function with the name getUserDTO. So it will be a public return type that we have userDTO. Name of the function that we have getUserDTO. Now inside this, I'm going to create an object of userDTO. After creating the object, we have to set here ID, first name, last name, email, and the user role. We have to get these parameters from this model that we have user. After setting these, we have to run here a userDTO object. Now you can take a look of a user entity. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.